Hello everybody, welcome back to ACV Customized and DCWF, and that's me. Okay, so I just wanted to let everybody know this is going to be a short video. This isn't going to be me doing a drawing. This video is about just letting everybody know that in the description down below all the videos, I've added in a couple things. I believe one time I already told y'all I had to some of the art sites and stuff that I have, but I also I now have a website that you can go look at more of my art stuff, and either way, you can go over there and you can look and see. I'm not gonna go into it because it'll make the video too long if I start giving real big descriptions. So all I'm gonna say is this: I've got a couple different sites down in the description that you can turn around and click on. You can go see some of my other artwork, things that I've drawn, things that are videoed, and things that haven't been videoed yet, or haven't been videoed. I just turned around and I drew them anyway, and I've got them in basically galleries, is basically what they are. So, and I've got a web page now that you can look at. I've also got either way, I've got two little donation things that y'all can get into. Either way, they're both on the web page. You can look at them as well. I'll turn around and tell you that it's for YouTube, it's for the art, and for the different channels that I have. I also have multiple channels. You know about this one, which is ACV Customized, and then I also have a ACVC Discussion and Development, and I also have a DCWF Point of View channel. Both of those channels are a little different than this one, and I'll be bringing in a new channel as well. This channel is going to be more for entertainment purposes, so at the release of this video, either way, just keep looking in my description. I'm going to also be adding that into the description, so hopefully I'll have that one soon. And I'll go ahead and tell you what the name of the channel is. It's going to be ACVC Tunes. There'll be different kind of things on it, but it's all going to be entertainment, so it'll be different from the 3 prior channels that I've already mentioned. So just want to let everybody know, like I said, and feel free to like, subscribe, and share the videos, any of the videos you find. Feel free to comment on any of the videos. I mean, you don't have to. You don't have to like them. You don't have to subscribe to them either. So I'm just letting everybody really know that, because I'm not sure if anybody's looking down through the description. So I just want to let everybody know. Either way, that covers everything. Mostly just look through the description every now and then, see if I've added anything new. I try to keep it up to date. And like I said, I created a new web page. You can go look at that. And I've got a blog page, which... No, I don't post it constant, but I do try to post on it. So just keep an eye out and see if you're interested to see what I'm doing next with the channels. And for anybody who thinks that I've got too many channels, well, I probably wouldn't have quite as many channels, but I'm trying to work alongside with this algorithm that YouTube uses, so they don't like having a whole bunch of mixture of stuff on one channel. All this stuff would actually be posted on one channel, which would have been this channel, but either way, since they really have I could do that, but I wanted I wanted all the stuff to be noticed and seen, so I figured it'd be better to have it all separated. So, like I said, if you're interested in looking at the other channels, feel free. I mean, it's still me who's doing it, and they actually all are really connected to this channel because it's all part of ACV Customized. But either way, feel free to check them out. I hope y'all have a great day. I pray the Lord help you all, and as you can see, I have this picture I'm working on right here that, no, I haven't filmed it or done a video on it, but I figured it would make for a good picture for the video, so there's a little bit more left to do to it, but either way, have yourselves a great day. Pray the Lord help you in the ways you need, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great one.